Okay. Oh shit. It's a blank screen though. It's a blank screen. It's a blank screen. Oh! Niggas is live. Alright now. It's Brandon's Bullish and we're back with another video. Live streaming my trades.
Niggas is not live, bro.
I'm 100% live this time. I'm sure of it. I'm almost certain that I'm live. Yes, sir! Hey guys, Brandon's live this time. I'm sure of it. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Hey guys, Brandon's live this time. I'm sure of it. Yes, sir! Alex is bluffing.
I don't see it.
Refresh. BrandonSwingjui. I'm watching it.
Oh, snap. Oh, my days.
So, hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish. It's 9:53 and it's Thursday today, so let's get to it. Right now, we're looking at SPY on the 15-minute. Currently, what do we see? Post-market SPY pretty much consolidated. Pre-market, there was a gap up and it kind of consolidated around the supply. Fell a little bit. Now market is open. What do we see happening? We see it pushing towards the supply at 645.11. But will it break is what we're trying to figure out. And I guess we have to wait. We have to see if buyers step in. Maybe I should end stream now. Three likes. The fans love me. I can't end stream. Anyways, actually, let's go live trade. In fact, what the heck are we doing? Oh my gosh, almost revealed my script. Actually, how do I turn off my camera for a second? Sorry. Give me a second. Maybe I'm made to stream. Maybe I'm a streamer, bro. Alright. Sorry about that, the delay, but yeah, we're back. Anyways, let's chart a little bit. Let's fix our chart a little bit. So what are we gonna mark? We're gonna mark the high of pre-market. We're gonna mark the low. Already got it marked. We're gonna mark the high of yesterday, and we're gonna mark the low of yesterday. All right, bet. So let's zoom out a little bit on the hour. What do we want to see? I'm going to move this up here. Yeah, I like my chart. Alright, let's go to the 15-minute, or let's go to the 5-minute, since we're on the brokerage. Currently, we are consolidating a little downward towards the VWAP, so we just want to see how it reacts around here. I guess we have to be a little bit patient. That's what trading is, patience, bro. Yo.
I was trying to see if I could hear myself on stream.
Say it again.
I was trying to see if I could hear myself on stream.
Yeah, I think you'll hear that.
Oh, yeah, no, I'll let you walk in though, bro. Alright.
Nah, I'm about to end it. I'm not doing this seriously.
Nah. What do you mean?
Fine. I was gonna go watch your stream.
Alright.
Maybe okay, I'll stream for 5 more minutes. Maybe take one trade and then I'm on your stream.
You have to keep it up, though, right?
All right, I got you. Just consolidating along the view app. It seems like it cannot break below. So I would say this is more bearish. I mean, anytime you're above the view app, technically I would say you're bear. I said bearish, bullish. If you're above the view app, I think that's a good indicator of like bullish or bearish or whatnot. So above, you're more bullish. Below, you're bearish. But obviously, there's more things that go into it, like market structure. In fact, maybe let's go over the market structure. What have you seen? Uh, this is it actually looks disgusting, to be honest. Let's go from 3 days ago, I guess. So we had a lower low, lower high, a higher low, a higher high. Let's say an equal low, and then a higher high. I would say we're more bullish at the moment. So that is my bias. I have a bullish bias currently. Then I'm gonna want to trade on the upside. I'm gonna make a call or look for a call. I'm gonna wait for it to reject again. Actually, I don't know. I don't want to rush a trade just to get into one for the stream. Actually, we need what the fudge? Natural gas storage. Say rejected with a lot of volume. I think I'm going to, let's see. Price action has been shit like for like I don't know the past 2-3 weeks. Like absolute shite. Kind of want to go in for a buy. Yeah. Brother, that was bad. Yeah. Amazing. Let's try going one more contract. Probably should have waited to retest off the VWAP. It's probably headed down to 460. The demand over there. Once you could retest off the supply, demand, demand is what I meant. I already know what happens. Does it break through or does it reject around here? What's that headed towards? This looks like, yeah, it looks like rejection. Dang, I've been very quiet. Yeah, I guess we're just waiting to see if it can break through right here. We're seeing a lot of like retests though, so it's too stressful. This is my first time. Apparently, I'm not checking chat. No, I lost money on my first stream. I mean, my first trade. Lost like 100. I'm about to pull over here if it breaks past basically this last low right here. Oof, I think that's good. I think hold up. Let's see. Let's see. Should should yeah. Chat needs to see the strat. I'm basically just since we're seeing it reject here, I wanted to go to the view app and I want to pull before it gets to the view app because when we see it get to the view app, there could be like rejection or whatever. So there's a lot of people buying towards the view app. So that's my target really. Kind of just want to make back the money I lost. To be quite frank. Good trade. Ah! Okay, I think we profited 162 off of that. Yep. Actually, we made more money. We made more money than we lost, to be honest. But nah, good trade. That was actually a good trade. I held it out because I'm not gonna lie, I was getting very close to pulling when it was down here. Yeah, I got very close to pulling. That's why I got so silent because I was just like, what is it going to do? Is it gonna push further down or is it going to actually reject? And it definitely took a while. It definitely took a while. That was a little stressful, but that's a good trade. To pass this account, I need to make 2K. I started with a 50,000 balance, so I need 1,700 more. To be honest, I haven't been trading some I haven't been trading too much. Usually I'll trade like 1 or 2 trades a day and then get off. But yes, that's somebody clip it. Somebody clip it. Hell yeah, somebody clip that. Hell yeah, somebody clip that shit. That I'm a no, nobody can call me fake. Oh my days. I gotta fix how I set up my screen. I have to make it like aesthetically pleasing for you guys. Cause I know like my screen can look messy or just ugly, unappealing. Damn, maybe I gotta do this more. I want to see if it could hold here, and then maybe I'll get in one more buy. Let's see a rejection. Let's see a rejection. Yeah, nah. That is a rejection. Yeah, definitely should have gotten that sell. That sell was going to 646, 454 for sure. Dude, what am I doing? That's a obvious sell. It broke through the view app and then could not go past. That's a obvious sell. What am I doing? That was a clear sell. Textbook sell, guys. That was poor for me. Textbook sell. I definitely could have gotten in after my call. Ideally, I would like to get in this sell. Like I like to trade both ways, but I'm not gonna lie, it's very risky to do that because literally you're trading both ways and whatnot. So like, especially getting into a contract the other way right after you're in a buy and to get in a sell is just risky like that. And I'm actually gonna take that rejection as confirmation. I'll take that. 112. How much are we up now? We are up 400. I went into that because it rejected off the supply I have right here. Easy. Easy. Shit was cake. I want to see if it continues on downwards or if it rejects here. Maybe I should dot the lines. Wow, maybe you shouldn't see that. Oh, I have two-factor authentication. I'm chilling. I really feel like volume is useless, bro. Like, I don't know. Volume is so confusing. Sometimes it does help. Sometimes it's, especially on days when there's bad price action like today. Like, it can be very annoying. There's news in 12 minutes. I'm trying to figure out if, I don't know. Maybe I should be finished today. I took three trades, one bad one, two good ones. This it's probably going back towards the View app. To be honest, you did watch it reject over here, so we could have won the call, but I don't know. Wasn't very certain. I forget what's my limit that I can make in a day. I think it's 1,000. I think I've made 200 today. Correct. If it falls, rejects at this demand, I'll go into one more contract. If it doesn't, if it heads towards View app, we're gonna call it a day. Let's look at the Nasdaq. I should probably look at other futures as well. Yeah, I can't lie. The fact that I didn't get into this sell, that was that was just bad. Like, even here, like, this just looks like a, there's confluence here. We have the View app and a demand zone. Like, this was a good sell to get into. Yeah, but oh well. I'm trying to see if I can get one more trade, but I don't want to lose that. I don't want to make it a losing trade. I think that was a really big rejection. To be quite fair, I guess. Okay. So if it breaks through the VWAP, what's rejecting? If it breaks through the VWAP, rejects and then holds the supply, basically holds the supply in VWAP. So we have a zone where we have this supply and the VWAP as confluence, or it will be a supply once it breaks past it. Then I'll go into one more contract towards the high of day. Let's see some rejection. Oops. Come on now. Oh shoot, we might just keep going. That's a big rejection. Beautiful. Okay, guys. I think that's gonna be my last trade for the day. We started off at 50. I think 50,000 to 200 something, like 250, and now we're at 50,500. So a cool 200 to 300 profit on the day. But I hope you guys had a good time watching my stream, and I hope like when I did go into trades, like I explained it well, at least if not like in the moment after. So I hope you guys have a good one and stay bullish.